Hello everyone, myself Ayush Kadam. I have completed my BE from Karad, Shivaji University, J1 College of Engineering. I was searching for a nice skill to add to my career. So I decided to search for a Salesforce development course. Therefore, I got to know about Victorrious Digital. When I came here, everything was so nice that I failed to immediately join this course. Tutors here are so IT professionals and they have so highly skilled educational skill and teaching skills that they deployed nice knowledge in our brains. So basically, I would like to thank Atul sir and Kishore sir for providing us a nice institute like this. And I personally recommend this institute to all the Salesforce candidates who want to join Salesforce. Thank you.